Great. It's the first day of Thanksgiving break, and I still have to work. Just to afford this place. Whatever. Hey guys, what's going on? Doggo Gaming here, and welcome back to Teardown. We're gonna be doing some more missions today, like the old times. And hopefully it'll do well. I don't know. Let's look. They turned the gas back on. Coffee never tasted better. I was skeptical about working with Mr. Rue in the first place, but he does pay well. Oh, does the new client, Lee Chemicals. Did they contact you directly? By the way, heard on the news there's some madmen on the loose around here. I hope you remember to lock the door at night. Stay safe, Mom. Thank you. Lawrence Lee Jr. That escalated quickly. Gordon really took this one step too far. You probably heard on the news, but he hit my tower. The Lee Tower. My poor grandfather's probably turning in his grave right now. It'll cost me a fortune to rebuild that. I need to get back at Gordon, but he's so loaded with money that I'll do whatever I do, he can just pay someone to fix it. The only way to get him is to strike where his fat wallet can't protect him. His precious art collection. Some of those paintings would also make a nice contribution to the restaurant fund or my new tower. Alright, I guess we can do this. Alright, so our escape vehicle's a boat this time around. And I have gotten a vehicle that will definitely be not a vehicle, a new item that will definitely be of use. A physics gun. So I can take stuff, break stuff, throw a tree for no reason, open a door and break it for no reason, put a table through the wall. Okay, doesn't matter how big of a hole we cut in the wall, we are not getting rid of this. Alright. I just needed to test that out real quick. I should probably go into the map to see if there are any paintings that are kind of grouped up together. So there's fire alarms and wired alarm boxes. So there's 2 here, which is good. Wait, so okay, so I have to get 4, and then I have 2 optionals. 1, 2, 3. Wait. So my thought is I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the boat. So that's gonna require a little bit of carving away. But we're still gonna try it. Go ahead and make sure this... Honestly, let's just blowtorch this door off. Okay, there we go. Now we got that. A good way out, so... Now let's take it and... Okay, we can't break through that with that. But we can with a good old shotgun. Can I fit through? Yes. Wait a minute, then I have plank. So I'll attach it. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, and it can only go so far. Okay, good to know. So then we'll go out here. And then we'll go through here. Then we'll make sure these stay open so that we can grab that. What is this? Okay. And then we have a clear escape route to the boat. Now we just gotta plan out the rest. So we get the second painting from there, and the first one from there. So let's go ahead and carve out our way over here. So there's already a door that leads here. So we can probably carve an entry way out. And then we'll kind of clear it of all the tables. Go over there. Can get them all into a big pile. Have one over there. I think that if we do this enough, we can have a pretty good escape route. And then I believe the last one was in there. Yeah, okay. So we keep this open like that. Alright, let's just hope that this goes well. Before we do, we're gonna quick save. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, we only got a minute to do this, so we gotta go fast. This is probably not fast enough, but this is our first run of the mission, so it's fine. Okay, we're actually doing pretty decent. Oh, wait a minute. Good old hook shotgun. Through the hole. Get out, come on, woohoo! Alright, that was pretty good. It only took us 5 minutes. We had 8 seconds left. We didn't get any of the optional targets, but that's okay because we don't need them. It's fine. But we did get all the required ones. Well, no duh, because you need them to complete the mission. We flew up, so we got those. Then we flew up here. The line's really squiggly. And we hook shot it there, landed there, got the painting, went out there, pulled ourselves there, went through the hole, and then through that, grabbed the painting, just started hook shotting our way through. Then we went all the way to the boat and we did it. We did really good that time. Alright, I wonder... Oh, cool. Oh, I reached a new rank and I have a new tool. And it's raining. Great. No rain's getting in my house. Okay, I have a banana pipe bomb. What's on the news? A massive thunderstorm is approaching and is expected to hit the coast tonight. Meteorologists. Okay, then I'm gonna get on a mission. Lockwell's Celebration Day. Looking forward to seeing you at the upcoming. There will be concession stands and music and performances and an ice cream van. The Lockwell Home Guards will do the annual parade at the end of the evening, and there will be huge fireworks. Since when do towns have home guards with tanks? Missing artwork. Good evening, I'm a cleaner. I don't care. Investigating an arson that happened in Gordon recently. Mr. Wu claims to know who's responsible for this one. Mr. Lersley Jr. But he's very keen to not involve the police. Gordon's account has caused us some financial strain recently, and it is our interest to bring back the paintings and as quickly as possible. According to our intelligence, the paintings are hidden at the marina. I know Gordon has been working with you in the past. Maybe you can help. Wait, didn't it say it was striking the coast? I swear, if it's gonna be thunderstorming when we get here. Of course it is. I hate the thunder. I don't know why, I just do. Knock down the telephone pole for no reason. Aha! Okay, we gotta actually look, see where he's hidden the paintings. Okay, so they're all in a weird kind of spot. But we'll do what we did last time because it worked really well. We go for the one farthest to closest. So here's the plan. We hit here. Painting hidden above the offices. So we'll hit there. And then we will zoom here. Pick up this. It's hidden behind the sofa. And we'll get this. And then we'll get this. And then get back to the van. Boom, we're done. So, pretty simple. Right? Alright? Let's go ahead and forklift. Holy! I was gonna say let's forklift our way over there, but I don't think that forklift is working anytime soon. That actually kind of made me jump. Like, what just happened? Ah! Why is it destroying stuff? I was about to pick this up. Wait. Oh, it's not an alarm box? Okay, well, that was easy. Wait, what? What do you mean fire alert? That wasn't even me! No, stop. Bad. Firefighter. This usually works really well. No! Wait, is there even... There's not even wired alarm boxes, so this actually is going to be really easy. Alright. Well, I'm still going to keep this fun. And how? I'm holding it in my hand. It's a pipe bomb. Gosh darn it, another fire alert. Hey! No fires. No, hey, hey, hey. No, 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 no. Okay, no fires. Okay, it's not hidden. It said it was hidden behind a sofa, so, destroy all sofas! Ah! Destroy the sofas. No sofa. No sofa. Where's the sofas? Sofa! Ah! There we go. Alright, we're good. Thank you for your services. Let's see. I don't think it said there was anything here. Why is it that any building I go to gets struck by lightning? What's that? Oh, it's valuable. Oh, there we go. We'll land our MP3 player. Okay. What building did it hit now? Alright, pipe bomb. Yeah, I'll just use a laser. A little laser. Wait, oh, where's the fire? 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 Crud. Oh, what the heck? How did this happen? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nope. There's still fire. Okay, well, at least it's not going up. And the thunder didn't hit the painting, so we're good. Because I am not sure. Well, now I kind of know. Why is it, like, targeting buildings? Alright, where's the last one? Okay, it's here. Wait, where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Oh, no, 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 no. Bad. Bad fire. Okay, it's still going. Well, that's it. Well, that was easy. Now, literally nothing could possibly go wrong. Boom. Too easy, man. Too easy. It still took me 5 minutes, but that's because I had to keep putting out fires and stuff like that. I don't know. Man. Really foggy outside. Great. Alright, what's on the news? Several buildings at the West Point Marina were damaged during the thunderstorm. Last night, it's a miracle that the buildings are still standing. We see signs of fire, but the heavy rain must have put them all out, says Harbor Master Jim Denglish. Okay. Hopefully it's not copyright. No, I'm good. Alright, let's see. Okay. Nice job with the paintings. A little hard here and there, so I'll have to find someone to retouch them a bit before I return the cord. You won't know the difference. Anyway, I heard about the thunderstorm. Glad you made it out safely. Best regards, Gillen. Yeah, they're alright. Blue tide. Guess what? We found a pattern for the recently visited locations and the GPS devices you picked up from the marina. Pointed a Hollow Rock Island, an old fish processing plant, now making some kind of energy drink. BT is short for blue tide. Why didn't I think of that before? My daughter's totally addicted to that disgusting sugary sludge. I'm here right now. It's a bit worn down, but pretty. Better an image. I'm still trying to figure out the mobile telephone camera. Most of the island is closed off for visitors, and they don't seem very interested in answering questions. I need to find out where the leapments go, and if I could just have a look in the Blue Tide computers, that might bring some clarity. I was hoping you could make this. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Alright. Insurance problem not only did we steal some. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Plus, it's not even an important mission. Hollow Rock Island. Blue Tide computers. Single parents. Okay. Alright. I'm probably gonna do this last mission, then I'm gonna end the video. Let's see. Okay, probably shouldn't be spotted by the spotlight. Let's see. So what are our options? Okay, there is wired alarm box. IT department, break room, plant research lab, old lab. Okay. Okay, so there is not anything here, and we're just gonna break that just to be safe. Okay, so let's take a look. So extraction point is there. So I'm thinking we go boom, 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 boom. Alright. So we start here, make a point there, there. Alright, we're good. So yeah, we have a good idea. These honestly probably usually take 5 minutes because of all the planning and shaping that we have to do. Okay, so didn't it say this house? Yes. Okay, there's something here, but I don't know what. That's not it. Oh, it's in here. Aha. Open up. Picked up blue tie dice. Limited edition worth $75. Nice. No. Wait, I need to check again. In the corner. In here. Cash register. Let me in. Hey, you. Okay. So it said there was a computer in the corner. I wonder where that corner is. Okay, it's empty. Aha! This looks promising, is it? No, it is not. I am having trouble. And also my friend keeps messaging me. Aha! Wait, is it? Okay, there's fire alarms. Uh-oh, no thanks. What the heck's going on? That's it. Oh, that's pretty good. Destroy the arcade machine, although that's probably gonna take it. Probably not, though. Okay, there we go. There's our exit point. And then we'll go here. Hello? No. Hello? Hey, open up. Come on, give me something good. Ah. Yeah! There we go. There's an exit point. Okay. There's a bunch of blue tides in the corner. Take a quick exit point. Oh, there's a fire. There we go. Alright, what is still held on to? Yeah, there we go. Really? What is still holding this? Oh, wait a minute. Is it this? There we go. There we go. Eh. There we go. Cat. You know, we're gonna spray paint it. The thingy. Spray painted. Alright. Last 2 targets. Hit that. Alright. Uh-oh. Probably. Well, I just launched fireworks, so yeah. Makes sense there's a fire alert. There we go. We're good. No, we're not. Okay, so we just blew half the building off. There we go. I'm sorry, what? There's a fire alert somewhere? Wait, where's the fire? Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Go away. Bad fire. Thank God. Ow. This video's been nothing but chaos. But to be honest, that's why I record this. There we go. Just gonna break that open. And finally, make a hole. Move that. Okay, then we got pretty nice exit points there. Alright, then we'll just exit out of the same place and just jump into the boat. Alright, just look for the destruction path and follow it. Ow. Oh. Oh. This is not good. That works. Alright, let's try not to do this. Well, not to die. Alright. Neat. Mine. I believe it. Yay! That took me 10 10 minutes. So we went through there. We did the right thing, I think. I couldn't remember the entry point that I made. It was probably honestly the same. Ah, that was good. Reached a new level and new tool has been delivered. Wait a minute, what's this? Oh, okay. What is it? I always wanted a gun. Even though I already have some. Yeah, I think we've definitely gotten some improvements. I can't tell that much, but I think we have, yeah, we've definitely got some improvements. Here's our bedroom. It's actually got walls now. It's still kind of foggy outside. Ah. Alright, let's go ahead and... Wait, is that blue tide? Man, that was a good mission run. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Shout out to someone that I've been meaning to shout out for a long time, but I don't think I have. Shout out to my friend Press Start on YouTube, and his YouTube is at Press Start Official or something like that. Me and him are just really good friends, and I've been meaning to shout him out for a long time, and I finally got around to it in this video. So yeah, do all the stuff I told you to do. If you get him to more oh, this is another important thing. If you get Press Start to more subscribers, me and him are we'll make a second channel together with, wait for it, dun, 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 stop motion. Oh, it's a really nice chair and table. So yeah. Get him to more subscribers. He's already at 1,000, but it would still be cool if you got him into more. Like 1,200, 1,500, maybe even 2,000 subscribers. So share it with all your friends. So share his channel and mine if you want with all your friends, and get them to subscribe to us. Now, please do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!